Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today we're going to talk about markets of 19th April and also check markets for tomorrow, that's 20th April, and 5 intraday stocks that you can buy or sell tomorrow. So without wasting much of time, here we go. On your screen right now is US 30, that's Dow futures trading at the moment 206 points down, and at the moment it is looking like it's a bearish day in US stock markets, but you know that the US markets are bound to go ahead and rebound in the second half of the day, and this looks like a similar condition. A triple top is pretty much possible from here if the stock remains positive and above this level of 33,860. Talking about Nifty 50 on SGX, it's shown a flat trade after the closing in Indian market, and this is like a bullish sign because there is a good news in the market related to the vaccine. Now people above 18 can go ahead and take a vaccine, so it's going to be effective 1st of May. So everybody who's a citizen of India above 18 can go and get themselves vaccinated. This is going to be a very important crucial news for Indian markets, and it might show a bullish sign tomorrow because as you see, the US economy has actually pulled itself up from that level of 29,000, 30,000 after the stimulus and the increasing number of population taking the vaccine. What happens after the vaccine is the chances of government taking a lockdown or economy going into a backward position reduces. Let's see what happened in the Indian markets today. Nifty Bank on your screen, as you see, it was a horrendous day for all the stocks. The market opened like 1500 odd points down, and it was like a Diwali for the puts buyers and a very tough time to the sellers. So, as you can see, it did take support at that level of 30,500, which we spoke about in our short video, and after that it moved towards that level of 31,200, and it was trying to push itself above this red line, which is also the exponential moving average 50 days 50 periods, I'm so sorry. And it did not just push itself above that, so that is going to be an important level tomorrow. If the news in the market is of the vaccine becomes positive, if the market takes it positive, it can easily cross this level of 31,864, and once it crosses that level, you should expect a bullish trend for the next 2 or 3 days. If it falls below this 30,964 levels again, then it can again test those levels of 30,500, and if it breaks those levels, then it can further fall down. Until where, we will check that in a minute. So that's 1 day chart for us, and if the market falls below that level of 30,500, the next support I think is the 200 exponential moving average, which is the yellow line right here, which is placed at 29,828. So somewhere there you can expect again some good support. That's just a 400 point odd difference from whatever is the support at the moment. So I think Nifty Bank had to fall at this level due to the lockdown in Delhi announced for a week, and Maharashtra, as you know, it's in lockdown. So that is one of the reasons, and again a lot of news related to a shortage of vaccines, or maybe the medicines, that remdesivir and other medicines which are in shortage. Even the oxygen supply is very low compared to what is the demand, and that might be one of the reason why it's going down. But with the vaccine news coming up that it's open for everyone now, I'm pretty sure that the market is going to take this as a bullish sign and move upwards. If it does move upwards, 32,111, the 100 moving average, exponential moving average, might be one of those areas where the market might become a little silent or consolidate, and anything above this level of 33,334 will be bullish for long term. Talking about Nifty, similar trends. If you can see, it's opened 400 odd points down and then it started moving upwards. Finally, it was able to go ahead and close above the 15 period moving average on 15 minutes chart exponential, which is a positive sign. For a longer perspective, it has to go ahead and cross this level of 14,537 for it to be into a bullish territory. On a 1 day chart, if you can see, it took support at this 100 moving average, that is the blue line, and it moved upward. It's a green candle that shows as a formation because of the gap down opening and then moving upwards. I still see that 14,626 level is a testing level. Anything above that, the bulls will surely take over. The top 5 stocks for today were Cipla, JSW, UPL, HDFC Bank, and Wipro. Cipla, we had a stop loss, and in Wipro we had a positive, like a profit. And rest all stocks, due to the gap down opening, they already hit the target and moved downwards. Let's see what are the top 5 intraday stocks for tomorrow, that is 20th of April. Okay, so the intraday stocks for tomorrow, that is 20th of April. The first stock is Reliance. You can buy it above 1912.4 and sell below 1897.8. Motherson Sumi, you can buy about 207.03 and sell below 203.17. Adani Ports, you can go ahead and buy about 729.87 and sell below 715.9. HDFC Bank, you can buy about 1424.2 and sell below 1404. SBI Cards, you can go ahead and buy about 947.95 and sell below 932.20. So that is it from our side. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. Do subscribe to our channel, share it with all your friends so that they can go ahead and beat inflation with you.